Okay, so we leave pots out by the garden on purpose. I had these spread out, so there was quite a few of them to leave homes for little things. I was sticking them inside each other, and sometimes I forget to look to see if there's something in there. And I did look this morning as I was getting ready to put the last one on the stack, and came across this beautiful home in here. If you look down in there, I think we can see there is a resident in there. I want to try to see right down in that hole. I can't see him down in there, but you can see that beautiful black hole going down in there. Yeah. I'm trying to see our spider down in there. I don't see him, but man, that's a heck of a nest. So this one's going to be staying. I'm glad it worked out for what it is. It actually looks like what it's done is it made its nest, and then it went right down through the bottom of this pot into the area in between, which is protecting its babies, and we're going to leave it in there. Okay, thanks for watching.